Hey family, so for this apple tree bowling, the setup is really simple. You are gonna snip 2 little cuts in some toilet paper rolls and then put in your tree top. And I am really sorry, these little stickers turned out way smaller than I thought they would be when I ordered them. So they might be a little too small for your child to put on themselves, but maybe they can help by pointing where they want the apples to go on the tree. So you're gonna make your trees first and then set them up in a hallway or a room with a large space, and you'll need some kind of small size ball, even probably a tennis ball would work fine. When you introduce this idea, if your child hasn't been bowling yet, which is likely since they're pretty little still, you want to talk about how we are going to roll the ball. Their first instinct might be to throw the ball at them, but you can talk about how we throw balls when we are outside, and inside we're gonna roll the balls. And you'll probably wanna model this a couple different times for them. So I'm gonna show you my apple tree bowling setup. All right, I've got my trees all ready, and I've got my ball here, and now I'm just gonna roll it and see if I can knock my trees over. Woo, I got 2 of them. Let's see if I can try it again. Now you can start pretty close at first, and then as they get good, they can scoot further and further away. So you might even have them start a little bit closer than I did. But this is a great one because they can just set it up again, like that. And try again. Oh, I got one that time. You might do a better job than I did. All right, friends, so that is our apple bowling. Hope you have fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.